We learned about multiplications yesterday. We did. Are we going to be doing an example today? Probably. Maybe. I don't know. Yes. Yes, we are. We are. To the blackboard. In the last video, we learned that we could define multiplication as repeated addition. In this video, I want to demonstrate the same concept with the help of a real-world example. So let's imagine we have this, we have a classroom in front of us, and this orange dot here is me. This orange circle here is me, and these blue circles in front of me are my students. And I want to go around my class and count the number of students I have, but I'm lazy. I don't want to go around and count each student individually. I want to see if my math skills can help me do the job a little easier. So I will just stand next to the first row. This is row number 1, and I will count the number of students in row number 1. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 students in row number 1. Now I will stand next to row number 2, which I will highlight in pink, and I will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 students in row number 2 as well. Now I will go to the last row, which is row number 3, and I will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 students in row number 3. So now that I know how many students I have in each row, all I have to do is add the number of students in each row to get the total number of students. So I will take the number of students in the first row, which is 5, and I will add that to the number of students in the second row. To the number of students in the second row, also 5, and I will add that to the number of students in the third row, also 5. And I will get 5 plus 5, which is 10, plus 5, which is 15. I will get 15. So that's the total number of students. But what I could also do is multiply. But what would I multiply? I would have to multiply the number of rows. So I have 1, 2, 3, I have 3 rows. And I would have to multiply that with the number of students in each row. And as we can see, we have 5 students in each row. So I would multiply the number of rows, which is 3, to the number of students in each row, which is 5. And that equals to 15. So as we can see, both equations give us 15. We have 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 3 5s, which equals 15. And we also have 3 times 5, the number of rows times the number of students in each row, which is also 3 5s, which also equals to 15. So multiplication indeed is repeated addition.